A control tower is the central hub of an airport's air traffic management, ensuring the safe and efficient movement of aircraft on the ground and in the air around the airport. Staffed by air traffic controllers, the tower relies on visual observation, advanced radar systems, and radio communication to guide pilots during critical phases of flight such as takeoff, landing, and taxiing. Controllers ensure planes maintain safe distances, preventing collisions and managing the flow of traffic seamlessly. The tower is positioned for a clear view of the runways, taxiways, and aprons, allowing controllers to monitor aircraft and ground vehicles directly. Radar systems track planes' positions, altitudes, and speeds, while controllers use radios to issue instructions, such as when to taxi, hold position, take off, or land. Each movement is carefully coordinated to maintain safety and minimize delays. The work inside the tower is divided into specialized roles. Ground controllers manage movements on the airport's taxiways and apron areas, ensuring planes navigate safely to and from runways. Local or tower controllers handle planes in the immediate airspace, overseeing takeoffs, landings, and aircraft flying within a few miles of the airport. These teams work together to ensure a smooth transition between ground and air operations. Control towers also coordinate with nearby air traffic control facilities, such as approach or departure controllers, who manage aircraft entering or leaving the airport's vicinity. This handoff ensures planes are efficiently integrated into the broader air traffic system. In emergencies, control towers prioritize distressed aircraft, guiding them safely to the ground while coordinating with emergency services like firefighting or medical teams. By combining cutting-edge technology, skilled personnel, and real-time communication, control towers play a vital role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of airport operations. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.